Hey, welcome back to Corbellic Studios. I'm Corbellic. We're going to be knocking out shipping today in the studio. Today is Veterans Day, so the cool thing about eBay as well is that on holidays and on weekends, they're not going to ding your account and they're not going to hold it against you where you don't ship on those days because they know that the post office isn't coming up or anything like that. So some of these orders is from yesterday that should have been shipped, but I knew it was a holiday coming up and we're fine because I have it on a 2-day handling time, and I also show you how to set your account up the same way. Just click the link below. You can tap into the free eBay art community. You can learn how to do this yourself. Everything is set up for you. I got the templates. I got the copy and paste. I got PDFs. You could just copy. You don't have to go through any steps. Anybody can do this. You don't have to be a professional artist or have a studio. I mean, I got a big pile. I don't want to pick it up because there's labels, but I told you in the last shipping video that I was going to have my assistant help me on the next shipping video. So she's here so she could do that part and I can keep the business flowing. And you could do the same thing. You could have your wife involved, your girlfriend, you could have your kids involved, you could hire one of your friends. And that way it also keeps you accountable within your business, because imagine the psychology where you just have to paint. Only thing you have to worry about is paint. You don't have to deal with the picking and packing. You don't have to deal with that. As long as you have that mindset, or you get yourself to that mindset, it's also going to keep you accountable with your friends, knowing that you're giving them some type of employment, or you're helping them, or hey, you could just take them out to dinner or something like that. But it also is going to be freeing for your mind, where you're going to be able to create as much as you want. You're going to be printing the money out, because only thing you have to worry about is creating, and then they're going to be doing the shipping. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. While my assistant, she's going to be doing the shipping part, I'm going to be doing the painting. And I think I'm going to do something cool too, where I have 2 cameras set up so you can see me on one side of the studio painting, and then her doing the shipping part. So that way you can understand how the business flows. Look, if I can do it, you can easily do it. And this is just holiday orders. So what I'm doing right now, these paintings that are being shipped out, or actually the paintings that I'm about to paint, these are going to be feeding the algorithm. So we're about to feed the algorithm right now. That's the buy it now algorithm, and not the auction side. So we leverage both, but you could learn about how you could do that for yourself too, and you could be promoting the store, making money, and everything's down there for you. So I'm gonna catch you at the end of the video, see where we're at with the boxing, and then let's go. This is my favorite time of year. This is the holiday time where we are booked. We are packed. This is the time of year where if you're on eBay or if you're a reseller, they call this time where you stack up your savings account, you stock up your checkings account. This is the time where you make the money. We've been waiting for this time of year the whole year. This is Q4, holiday time. So this is the perfect time for you that you can also join in the free eBay art community. You can learn how to do this yourself. All the templates are there for you, everything that you could copy, paste, and you can do this yourself. You can have a system that's already built for you. Everything that you need to do to push out art. I remember the days where I wasn't able to sell any art, and I would have just been so blessed and thankful just to even do one of these boxes. Now this is just a weekend. This is just a weekend order where we're shipping out 100 paintings because we stayed prepared. We stayed ready. What do they always say? What luck is? They say it's opportunity that meets preparation, right? It's preparation meets opportunity. And that's just what we do, waiting for this time of year, just being prepared. And you can have time to be prepared as well right now, where you could get your store in order. You can start just feeling loose and getting paintings out, being free on the paintings, using the projector method, using the different templates and methods that we talk about inside the art community. And I mean, just get this thing going. It's a business here. If you want to still do gallery art, you would still want to do things like that, you can do it outside of this. But when we show up to work, it's time to work. It's time to make the money. And you can do that for yourself. You can do that for your family, and just get paintings out the way. Don't worry about what the naysayers got to say. The people who are like, oh, well, what if this sells for that price? And, they're not even in our shoes where they're worried about stuff like that. So, those type of people would never be successful, but you will be successful. You're a phenomenal person. Woo, and boom, there you have it right there. Man, that was hard work for me, huh? You see how hard that was for me? No, I'm just joking. All jokes aside, but that's the things that you can do where you can actually hire an assistant for yourself when you get to that level. I mean, hey, I wasn't always at this level where I had an assistant, I had help, but you can do that if you have a husband that wants to help, a brother, a sister, maybe your son. You can get your kids involved, especially now that it's the holiday time. This is just what a weekend looks like. So this is holiday time. You're at the perfect time now. You have Black Friday that's in 2 weeks. You have Christmas and all of those other things that's coming up next month. So you have the Christmas and New Year's is what I was trying to say. And people want to give gifts out. So this is the perfect time for you to jump in the free eBay art community. Click the link below. See how you can do this for yourself. You know what I always say? If I can do this, you can do this. I did all this without having any social media, without any funnels or email list or harassing people. You never hear me say one time on these videos, hey, here's my eBay site, click on it and buy this painting from me, because it's not about me, it's about you. I still have time to make these videos. I still have time to do mentorship and coaching and editing, and I'm still able to do these paintings. So don't worry about what your coworkers got to say, what your neighbor has to say, with anybody in your family or anything like that. They don't even have to know about it if you don't want them to. But don't worry about what people are going to say if you know, oh, you're selling your art for this price, or this is going on for that price. Don't even worry about that. They don't understand the business of it, and they don't understand how it snowball effects. Don't day trade your numbers. That's one thing I talk about inside the eBay art community. Don't day trade your numbers. Don't worry about, oh, that one thing. They don't understand the combination of what it all looks like. Look at the total picture at the end of the month. You know, hey, when you're going to get big enough, even at the end of the quarter, because eBay is going to make sure that you get those profits. They're going to make sure that it all comes together. One painting might be one price. The next others that they're doing a combined shipping on, they're going to be selling for $200. That's the game, how it's played. Don't listen to nobody. So learn how you can do this for yourself. Click the eBay art, click the link below so you can join the free eBay art community. A bunch of cool people in there. And it's holiday time. We're just ramping up. We're just getting started. Look, if I can do this, you can do this. Come on, let's get it. I'll see you in the next video.